Let's take a look at a brand new feature for Talent's silent disco systems. One of the worries about handing out your headphones to event goers is the fear you might not see them returned. Protect your investment with Chexology. Using your patron's phone number, you can check out headphones and keep track of them to see if they've been returned. You can place a security deposit on your patron's credit card until the end of the event, where the charge is dropped after returning your equipment. If an item is unreturned, Chexology will automatically run a daily reconciliation for the lost or stolen equipment to help you keep better track of your headphone inventory. Not to mention, the Chexology system and application can help you gather insights into your patrons, such as knowing how many people are using them at any given time. Get peace of mind and protect your investment with Chexology.